Guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be looking at a center console physical button setup from Hannshow. This is very nice. It's for the Model Y and the Model 3. I'm just going to show you the contents of this packaging here because this is such an easy installation. If you have a Tesla, anyone can do this. So you get some tools here. You get a USB cable to power it. And then you get your cable here to actually give power to the Bluetooth module. You get your pry tool, very simple. And then you get the Bluetooth module. This is how this is controlled. Pretty simple. Then you get to select, you get two latches here, one for the Model 3, the 24 Model 3, and then one for the older Model 3 and the older Model Y. It says Highland on there. That's how you know it's for the 24 models. And this is the unit. It just kind of, here's all the buttons here. I mean, you've got open your doors, turn signals, park hazards, drive, reverse, front, trunk, sport, charge port. You can move the passenger seat back and forth and do your windows. So now I'm going to show you how to put this on. You can see here it goes on just like that, and there's a latch where the other latch that I showed you before, it goes over top of the unit. So I put it on. It's super simple. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, so I put it on. You can see where it latches on right there. Easy peasy, folks. Latches on one side, snaps on the other. Nice snug fit. It will not fall off. Now you're going to take your pry tool and you're going to go to the passenger side and you're going to pry off the first panel, which is this one right here that sits right there. Super quick. You're going to pry off the second panel. This is right there. Very fast. And now you're going to take your pry tool and undo this last little rivet here. You'll need it to get that off. And you just pull the carpet and everything back. That's the port you'll use for the bigger plug. And that's the smaller plug. That's it. First, power off the vehicle. So go to safety and hit power down. There you go. Do that first. Don't open any doors after this. So make sure you have a door open if you want to. Now you just plug it up. So you plug it into the small port. You cannot mess this up. Small port, big port. And you'll have one open port to complement that plug that you just took up right there. And then you just simply zip tie or tape this up however you want to do it. And then so I got to open the door over there. There you go. And then you put it back together. Plug up the USB and then boom, here we are. This is how you control it. So you press it once for the temperature and press it again to control the actual level through 10. And it takes over the vehicle's control, so you really don't have to touch it anymore. Really, really simple, folks. This has got to be one of the quickest, easiest installs you'll ever do on your car. And it's just that simple. So just kind of running down here. I'm just kind of testing things out to make sure everything works, but everything is working good. All the doors pop open. The front pops open. Control the passenger seat. I was sitting in the passenger seat and I moved it, but I'll show you that again here in a second. But this is absolutely great, man. This is so nice. It opened the front and then it opened the trunk. And since the front is not electric, you can't close it, but you can close the trunk area with the same button. So you're going to see me close it here. There you go. By pressing the button there. Really simple, straight to the point. Super. This is an addition to your Tesla that I think you'll probably want to do. Very affordable for what it's offering for you. And it's an easy installation. It is super easy. I cannot stress that enough. Follow these instructions. And there's plenty of instructions on the internet too to do this, but it just doesn't get any easier than this. This adds on to your Tesla something that I think all Teslas really need, which is physical buttons. My only thing is make sure you remember which buttons go to what, because they're not technically labeled. I wish they were. You see how I'm opening the doors and things like that. In this part of the video, I was just testing everything out, but everything works great. So now let me give you some more information about how I like this. So pretty easy install, folks. As you can see here, these control everything, man. You can open your doors with this switch here. This opens the doors as well. This is your blinkers, turn signals, your parking hazards, everything on here. Open your front. As you can see, it closes and opens. The front is not automatic, so that's why it didn't close it. But I'll have to go out there and close it. But it does open and close the trunk area. You can put it in sport mode or chill mode. You got your charging there. You got everything here. This is the seat next to me moving. That is super cool. And then obviously this is gonna be, it's probably gonna be the windows. Oh yeah, in the back. But nonetheless, folks, this is a fairly simple installation, and all you need is a pry tool. And you undo that side over there. Super quick. Plug it in. Run the USB here. I'll probably hide this USB cable, though I just put it here just for to quickly put it in. But I'm going to go ahead and, or I might leave it here. I might just run it around. I'm not sure. But the point is, this is a fairly easy install, and I think you're probably going to like this. I like the fan's speed now. Can be done here. And it's got ambient lighting. Really cool. Now to change the fan speed, you press it once and you press it for the temperature here. And this thing does it all. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.